Jai Hind guys, Eddie Roy here again, driving the Kushaq 1.5 TSI. Today is a very cloudy day, थोड़ा डाल है तो लाइट भी कम आ रहा होगा, लेकिन शिलोंग में तो रहता है ये मेघालय है. मेघालय का मतलब क्या है? द एबोर्ड ऑफ क्लाउड. एनीवेज, कुछ दिन पहले मैंने एक वीडियो डाला था, so called negatives or few negatives of Kushaq, because I had been watching few videos which are getting very popular on YouTube about the negatives of Kushaq and whether one person looking for a car should consider Kushaq as his or her option. So I respect their opinion. They are all content makers and they are very knowledgeable and experienced. Again, I was not very much in agreement with few things, so I made a video, but I missed out two issues, which you can term it as a negative, but I'm terming it as a issue. These two issues are, I really wonder why Skoda has not given that. One is the SC control, which is a touch control. So this is a headache, I'm telling you. Because if you want to really control the AC, either the being very fan speed or the temperature, you have to put your finger in the right place and then only you can slide up and down and then control it according to your requirement. And another thing that really is an issue according to me is the seat belt. There is no height adjustment of the seat belt even in a top trim of the Kushaq that I'm driving today, which comes in many cars of half the price of this Kushaq. So really wonder why Skoda could not give this, especially if you are a short man, if you are not a very tall man. Like I am not a short, but I'm medium. I'm 5 feet 6 inches. So what I have to do is I have to slide my driving seat a bit closer to the steering and then adjust it according to my position. When I do that, or when you do that, if you are of similar height, then what happens? The seat belt, there is a tension in the seat belt because you are not that tall enough. You are sitting away from the seat belt, that place where from the seat belt originates. So it gives a bit of pressure on your shoulder, and it's a real pain on the, if I may say so, real pain on the S. So these are the two negatives or two issues which I wish Skoda had, given us the facility, which they haven't given. Now, today I will tell you or discuss about my experience and what are the positives about Kushaq. Kushaq का positive में तो मैं first and foremost रखूँगा उसका safety. This is a 5-star global NCAP safe car. तो उसमें तो कोई compromise है नहीं. And if you want to drive an unsafe car, this is your choice. But I will, as a senior citizen driving a car for the last I don't know how many years, maybe close to 30 years, हमने भी चलाया बहुत गाड़ी जो अनसेफ था. पहले तो सेफ्टी का इतना कंसेप्ट भी नहीं था. तो लेकिन it's always better nowadays that the roads are getting you are getting express highways, you drive fast, and any unfortunate incident you are traveling with your family members. So guys, whenever you want to buy a car, the first consideration should be whether the safety, whether it is properly equipped and whether it has been rated by the NCAP rating. Number 2 में आता है इसका driving dynamics. Now if you are a person who loves to drive, तो इसका जो engine है, turbocharged stratified ignition engine, TSI कहते हैं. This is something which is a class apart. There are no companies in India which makes as better engine as TSI engines. So Ford was one company which unfortunately left. Sad. Now and the Fiat, oh my god, that was a jam here. Anyway, like the engine is damn good, and they have designed this particular car in such a way that the chassis, the suspension, everything is so tuned so well with the engine that you don't feel, even if you are driving at a higher speed and taking a sharp turn in a car, you what you call in drive this engine, then you really feel the difference. Hilly or ghat areas, power का कोई कमी नहीं है ना, even in the 1 liter version or the 1.5 liter, both are very good. These two positives, outweigh the minor issues, if I can say them, minor issues. I mean, those are not deal breakers. Like, little bit, sound on the window panes, exposed sunroof sides when you open it, and then plastics are not of the best of the quality. Yes, they are not the best. Not the best. But चलता है, क्या है? इसमें कुछ इतना खास तो है नहीं. If they're protective and serves the purpose for which it has been built, and it looks good, sit in the cabin of a Kushaq and then have a look at it. You'll feel you are sitting in a vehicle which is a premium one, gives a classy look. Now, if you want a big screen, 12.5, 50% of the features on those screens of rival cars may not be used by you at all. Maybe initially 1-2 महीना कुछ आप लोग कर सकते हो, लेकिन इसके बाद तो शायद ही करते होंगे. यार कितना आदमी के पास टाइम कहाँ है, सब बिजी है. अरे मैं रिटायर्ड हूँ, मेरे पास भी टाइम नहीं है. See, the seat comfort is damn good. Kushaq is having a very, I think, class-leading wheelbase. You get a ample space in the rear seat also. Space is not a problem as long as 4 of you are traveling, including the driver. But the fifth person is difficult. The dimension of this Kushaq is not as big as its rivals. I can take it their names like Seltos or Creta or Hyryder, Grand Vitara Hyryder. So may not be on the road. It may look little tiny on the road, but this little compact dimension of Kushaq gives you that agility to maneuver in the tight corners and thick traffic. So this is another positive that I will say. Number 4, you see the front seats are ventilated in the top trim. Driver and co-driver seat both are electronically adjustable. Are these not premium features now? Okay. Now, coming back to the other positive, include features like wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity, 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster. By the way, this is the campus of the Northeastern Hill University at Shillong, where I used to work. A beautifully designed 2-spoke steering wheel, a beautiful dial to control the audio system of the infotainment scheme on the left-hand side. The right-hand side of the steering houses the dial and the buttons for controls of the MID, etc. A classic crystalline design LED headlights with L-shaped DRLs, a fog lamp which doubles up as cornering lights. The top trim of the car is equipped with 4 speakers and 2 tweeters and subwoofer, which is very neatly placed in the boot space inside the space of the spare tire. There was a query from one of our friend, my viewer, how is the quality of the music system? Well, according to me, the bass and the mid are very nice, but the high pitch is little flat. In the style variant, where I have got a extra woofer, the quality of music system is pretty good, pretty decent, and you can safely go for it. If I compare it with my previous car, Nexon, which had 4 speakers and 4 tweeters, I would rate it as 9.5 against 10 for Nexon, which had 8 speaker Harman tuned music system. The interior color scheme of Kushaq is very decent and comforting to the eyes, and it is a little timeless. I would imagine it will age very, very slowly. So given these features, that fantastic engine, great safety, these features which I have already just mentioned, all these things taken together, it surely negates those issues which are supposedly a negative things. So guys, if you are looking for a purchase, be your first car or an upgrade, I guess you can always consider Skoda. There's no harm about it. It's a fantastic car. I'm telling you, I'm not a brand ambassador. I'm not promoting them. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. You might think so, but this is not a sponsored one. So guys, this is what life is all about. I'm Eddie Roy, and signing off. Love you guys, but अगर मेरा अंडरस्टैंडिंग, मेरा एक्सप्लेनेशन अच्छा लगा है तो थोड़ा सा सब्सक्राइब कर लो. अच्छा लगेगा, लाइक भी मार देना. Love you guys. Thank you for your support. See you. Signing off.